If you've ever wished that your car audio had just a little bit more kick, then this review is going to be for you. This is the VEVOR 8-inch slim-powered car subwoofer, and I will say that I got it for free from the brand to try out, so I wanted to try it out with my son and let you guys know what we thought. First of all, you know that feeling that, when your song comes on and your car audio just doesn't deliver like the bass that you're hoping for? That's where this subwoofer and amp can really come in handy. It's compact, powerful, and slides right under your seat for a clean, out-of-the-way setup. Just be sure that you measure the space that you have underneath your seat, because this subwoofer is about a little over 3 inches tall, but it's pretty much compatible with most any car audio system, so whether you've got RCA outputs or not, it should be compatible. They even include a converter to make it easy. It has 240 watts of peak power, so it definitely delivers punch bass without distorting it. It's perfect for R&B, hip-hop, basically anything with strong rhythms. Plus, the wide frequency range gives you that balance between bass and treble for a full, rich sound. My son is always working on his stereo and sound system, and he even approved. It's really built to last. The aluminum alloy shell keeps it cool even when you're cranking the volume. And it has multiple safety features like overheat and short circuit protection. So it's not just powerful, it's reliable too. So really, this little subwoofer can really transform your car's audio. If you're looking to level up your music game without taking up a ton of space, this is definitely it.